Hello, my name is Abraham, and in this video, I'll be demonstrating what the video music player can do. It's basically a console-based application written in Rust, and I've also used VS Code to write this in. It's my development environment for this. Um, so the idea behind this is to have a library of songs that the user can add songs to, edit, delete, save, and load, and also search for songs. It uses URLs to launch these songs. So you basically give it URLs, and it calls the browser with those URLs, and that's how it works. So I'll walk you through the code first, and then I'll run the app, and I'll let you see what it can actually do. So we have 5 different files here, but the main menu or the main function is where everything begins. The vault gets instantiated, and this vault is basically a dynamic list of song instances, and then that will get passed into the main menu function found here. Now, the menu module is basically everything that you see on the console. It's all over menus, and depending on what the user chooses, functions get called. And this is kind of a long file because I've added functionality to keep it from crashing with invalid input. But the main or the menu module will call functions from the utilities, the vault, and the song modules. This is basically input validation. We want to make sure that everything that the user gives us is valid. The vault will hold our song instances, and this is what you don't see. This is everything that happens behind the scenes, how songs actually get deleted, edited, added to the list, and written to and from JSON files. The song instances, the struct song instances, are what will actually hold the name of the song, the artist, the YouTube link. You can use basically any URL you want. It doesn't have to be from YouTube, but everybody knows YouTube, so this is what I went with. So this is the most important part of the program, I think. It allows us to access the browser and display what we call our URL. So we'll go ahead and run this application. I've already compiled it, so I'll just run it, and we'll go ahead and add a song, and we'll be quick here. Okay, so sorry. So we'll just add a song title, an artist, and a URL. And then we'll go back to the main menu. We'll delete, or we'll edit that song that we just made. We'll choose that one, and we'll edit the name, and we'll say, and then we'll edit the artist. I don't have a URL for that, so we'll go back to the main menu. And then we'll see if deleting works. There's only one there. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. It's been deleted, so we'll return. And now we'll play some songs. So I have a JSON file already. We'll load it, and then we'll play. So there's basically 2 ways of doing this. We can choose from a list, or we can search by using a keyword. So first we'll choose from a list. So I'll let you see. So we'll actually launch the first video, and you can see how that will launch. So if I click enter here, it's been launched. So we'll have to sit to this commercial, but yeah, it's there. And console tells us that everything worked. It loops, so we can keep playing videos, but we'll see what happens if an error. So we have an error message here, and it actually tells us what happened. So it caught that, didn't crash. We'll return, and then we'll search for a song, and we'll search by a keyword. Let's just say I don't know the song name, so it found it, and we'll launch it since it's playing now. So we'll go see, and it's playing now. It called it using the browser. So we'll go back. We'll go back again and again, and then we'll add a song and save it now. Add a new song. So we'll say infinite source, and then tones, and then I do have a URL for that. Um, and it added it successfully, so that works. So now we will return and we will go play that song. Choose a song 6. It says it's playing, and there it is, it's playing. So that works, and then we will save. We will return to the main menu, and then we will save. And it says it's saved to this file, so we'll go ahead and access that and see if it's saved. And yep, there it is. So yeah, that's how the video music player works. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.